my class, and my class has been learning about Spain. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. In Spain, what they learn is Spanish, or what they speak, for another kind of thing. And this is their flag. You can see the like castle and the clown and the stuff like that. This is the Carnation. This is their national song, the Carnation, and it's basically like the actual march, like and another thing that you can call it is a mozzarella. And the one at the bottom is called the Carnation, the national flower. And at the bottom, you can see uh, their national animal, the bull. And what they do with bulls is they like have like a giant red like blanket, you can also call it, and they like put the bull's horns like and they like that. And these are the three dishes from Spain. The three dishes from Spain. Paella. Paella, it's a rice dish with peas, chicken, and seafood. And the other one is the gazpacho. It's kind of hard to pronounce, but you know how you usually have warm soup at home? They don't. They have cold. It's basically soup, but pretty cold. And the potatoes basils, number three. They're basically very spicy potatoes. This is a traditional dance called flamenco. Description of dance: it's a dance where they use their hands to clap to a rhythm and their feet to stomp. Traditional clothes: male tend to wear all black pants and shirts. Female red or multicolored dresses that are flured and the bottom. And this is all we have for you. And thank you for coming.